Hey guys, good morning. We are 5 minutes away from the open. Let's see what we did overnight. For trading, did some small trading overnight. But 2400 got out at 2440s on uh, 4 contract on ES minis, micro. Sorry, I say minis. We got retest and lockdown. We got the 400 right here. Got that. Just didn't want to know about that. That was value trade, structure trade to the downside of the POC. To the upside, you know which part the limit down was, so we would get stopped before the market open. Let's look at what the price limits are this morning. This is the CME trading price limits. Here, go on search under equities, and you will see it come up. 10% down is 2342.5. Let's see if we get locked on that this morning. It's another bloodbath day. On oil took the shitter the shitter last night into this morning. Ouch. And one short option outside. Intention is to go flat on that. But that's enough for that. You could see some real gyrations in oil today expected. So trade small, trade smart. That is not a micro stuff. We locked down. We're gonna get beat up on our live stocks today, so not too much we can do about that. Or we do have what we probably might go through like from about after the market opens, like about 10 o'clock. I'll go through what reasonable strategy is for the micros in this type of environment and how you can manage risk using the micros. What we are doing today is just monitor the market, not much to do. Don't want to be in front of trains, planes, and automobiles. We do have that 2342 limit to the downside. You can see the low is at 2352 right now, so possible get there. You can see the market we're seeing here is when I attempting to open the market back up. What we do have in volume is might be a little bit on the volume. You could see I adjusted everything. Yeah, the MESM. Whoa, the MES is trading a lot more trades. You can see that volume is almost 50%, and we're on the gate contract on crude. We are down 10% on crude oil, people. Down 10% again on crude. It has been a battering, a very much big battering ram. Oil is in the shitter. I expect US shale producers to be saddened to hit. What would interest me in medium to long term trading oil is that rig count. Need to see what's going on with the rig count from last Friday into this Friday into next Friday for the next couple of months. Because if we haven't found that bottom as yet, we're in trouble because this is a low for the futures. Oil is taking a pattern. That's 10% down. And if the market drops and this goes together with that, expect that market to drop as if oil may more than likely lead the ES this morning. This is your option shade. Might actually start to see some of these numbers. Oh lord. I trade options in the background long term. Well, medium term, sorry. I look at 90-day options and 5-week expiries and stuff. yeah, balancing stuff. I do have the chat box open, so if you have questions that me kind of stuff, ask me anything. Not very worried about answering any questions. We do live in the Caribbean. Or one important, well, important for me, we have 7 cases now on in Trinidad here, so all are imported. So we'll see the spike if it does happen. A bit later, I think we probably might be 10 days behind you guys. Let's see. $6.35. Gap down. Why you buy green? Did we just now lock limit? We did not hit lock limit? What? Confused. That's weird. Somebody big is trying to hold up the market. More or less same thing happened last night. I can show you it from last night. Right, so last night when the dip happened, we know where the stop was, right? So the limit from last night was 93.5, 93.5, right? So what we were looking at was this here hit right here at 94. We had a buy stop sitting there just in case it left the order was lifted, like how the order was lifted the previous night to the downside, which was weird. And again the same thing happened. 42.5, and we didn't hit lock limit down for it to stay anyway close to that. So I think it was 1 point here, 1 point off. Don't know what the hell or how the hell that happened. If that is just the technology or somebody is interfering with some very large orders outside here. Expect that just shot option prices, but they have